Namaste. So today's our topic is pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics include mechanism of action of drug. How does a drug act in the body? Effect of the drug, both beneficial and harmful effect. What a drug do in the body is the pharmacodynamic. Pharmacodynamic mechanism of drug action. It has two types: receptor mediate mechanism. Receptor target of drug action may present either on the cell surface or the inside the cell. Then where D plus R is DR or it give biological effect. Here D is the drug and R is the receptor. And DR is the drug receptor complex. When drug receptor complex formed, then the biological effect is produced through the receptor mediate mechanism. Second mechanism is non-receptor mechanism. Simple physical or chemical reaction like antacid neutralization reaction. Next is type of receptor. Regulatory proteins. For endogenous regulatory ligands, particularly hormones, growth factor and neurotransmitter like insulin receptor, insulin, then enzyme receptor that are inhibition by binding with a drug, then cyclooxygenase like aspirin, transport protein, sodium potassium ATPase like digoxin, structural protein, tubulin is colchinin, then genetic material rifampicin like RNA polymerase, ionic channel sodium calcium potassium channel blocker. Next is mode of DR interaction. Lock and key. Drug act as key, receptor act as lock, combination yield response. Then induce fit model, dynamic and flexible interaction. Next is amplification of the drug receptor interaction. Now our topic is implication of drug receptor interaction. Drug can potentially later alter rate of any function in the body. Drugs cannot impart entirely new function to the cell. Drugs do not create effect, only modify ongoing one. Drug can allow for effect outside of the normal physiological range. Then three aspects of the drug receptor function. So let's see. Receptor determine the quantitative relation between the drug concentration and response. This is based on receptor affinity to bind and its abundance in the target cell. Receptors function as regulatory protein and components of the chemical signaling mechanism that provide target for important drugs. Receptor determine the therapeutic and toxic effect of drug in the patient. So these are the three aspects of the drug receptor function. So hope you will understand about the drug receptors and how they work and what is their function. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.